Hello guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Lena and today I'm going to be showing you all you need to know about ChatGPT. And I'm going to do like a brief introduction on what ChatGPT is and what you need to know about ChatGPT and how you can use it to make money. Without further ado, I'm going to get started on ChatGPT. First of all, if you love free things like I do, I love free things. I don't like paying for things. Well, this is a free tool that you can really utilize and it's gonna make you millions and millions of dollars if you use it right. So I'm gonna be talking about ChatGPT today. Most of you have heard about it, some of you haven't, but I'm gonna tell you all about it. So ChatGPT is a large language model created by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text. It is a powerful tool that can help you in various ways, including making money online. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first way you can make money online with ChatGPT is by doing reviews. So first of all, I'm going to tell you this. I have been talking about this website that I love so much because I know you can really make money, and I have used it and I use it to make money online. If you need, you can do 200 words or less than 200 words for $10 or $20, and it's called Capterra. So if you haven't signed up to Capterra, please go in there and sign up to Capterra and make sure you start doing those reviews, guys. So the first thing you can do with ChatGPT is doing reviews. I'm going to give you that website, which is capterra.com, which you can go and do reviews and make money online, guys. So the other way you make money online is through doing blog posts. With ChatGPT, you can do blog posts and make money. So if you have a blog or you don't have one, you can just go for you. For example, you can write 10 ways to make money online, or you can write fastest cars in the world. You just go and write it down, and then ChatGPT is gonna write it down for you, and it's gonna give you a whole article, guys. So if you're in this era and you don't have a blog, please create one with things that you love, and ChatGPT will do everything for you. The third way you can make money online with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can write you a YouTube script. So
if you don't have a YouTube channel right now, I don't know what you're waiting for.
It's free, guys. It's so free. So ChatGPT, you only need to go in there and tell it to do everything for you. So now we used to hire people in Fiverr to do our content, to write our scripts, but now it's different. You only need to go type in whatever you want to type, and then ChatGPT is going to do everything for you, guys. This is lovely, guys. I'm sharing this with you because I love you and I want you to be successful. I'm trying all these things. I'm doing them. People have been doing them and they're really successful, guys. But you cannot do everything. So you have to choose just something that you need to do and do it to your best. So the other thing is language translation. So ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another with a high degree of accuracy. That's very true. You can use ChatGPT to translate website content, legal documents, and marketing materials. You can offer your translation services to businesses that need to communicate with customers who speak a different language. So guys, don't be stressed. Look for translation jobs. Go to ChatGPT. It's going to do everything for you. The last way I'm going to be talking about today, selling ebooks. So you don't know how to write books, so let me talk about recipes because that's what I'm doing. So I've been doing recipes, and it's hard writing down a recipe and coming up with a recipe book, but then you have ChatGPT here to do everything for you. So you need to just go in there and type the keywords of recipes that you want, and ChatGPT is gonna write you a recipe book. It's gonna write you everything that you need written. So guys, what are you waiting for? The other thing that ChatGPT can do for you is it can even write poems for you. It can even write songs for you. So if you need ChatGPT to do something for you, guys, please just go in there and make sure you sign up to ChatGPT and create yourself an account and start today, guys, before it's flooded. I hope you've learned a little thing from me today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.